Today, we're going to walk through an example scenario about a Department of Buildings audit. We'll explore how the inspection cycle works for high-pressure boiler annual inspection reports under 1 RCNY 103-05. During these audits, the inspectors check whether reports were filed on time and covering the correct period. The rule says the cycle is from January 1st through December 31st of the calendar year. Let's put that in context with a visual timeline. We draw a straight number line starting at January 1st and ending at December 31st. We'll place dots at each quarter to show the span that must be covered every year. Now we're ready to go through each answer option. We'll check them one by one, starting with choice A. We already know it says January 1st through December 31st, matching the rule. Let's briefly explain why the other choices don't match. Choice B proposes July 1st through June 30th. That would be a mid-year cycle, but 1 RCNY 103-05 explicitly uses the calendar year, so B is incorrect. Choice C says April 1st through March 31st, another variation. But again, the code section says calendar year, so C does not fit either. Finally, choice D mentions any rolling 12-month period, which would allow the cycle to shift. However, the rule is fixed to January through December, so a rolling window is not permitted, making D incorrect as well. To wrap up, the inspector confirmed that the DOE inspection cycle for high-pressure boiler annual reports is the calendar year, January through December, so answer choice A is the correct compliance interpretation.